Hello everyone. In our previous lecture, we have studied the relation for the refraction at a single spherical surface. Now today we are going to see lens maker equation. As the name suggests, lens maker means lens तयार करताना जे इक्वेशन वापरलं जातं ते. मग लेन्स कशाची तयार करतात तुम्ही पाहिलेलं आहे. सपोज दिस कर्व surface is a part of sphere and another surface is also a part of another sphere. So you have to consider the radius of curvature of these both spherical surfaces which decides the focal length. Also the material of the lens and the medium in which the lens is kept. That means you need to consider the refractive indices of the lens material and the material beside the lens. So relating all these, focal length, radius of curvature for both surfaces and the refractive index of the material and also the refractive index of the surrounding medium, let us it be N1 and N2. So relating all these means lens maker equation. So here is the diagram. See, first understand the diagram. See, this is the lens of refractive index N2. Let N2 means refractive index of material of lens is N, and the lens is kept in the air, so the outside material medium is having refractive index N1 which is equal to 1. Now this is the principal axis which passes through the optical lens of the optical center of the lens. Now suppose O is the point where object is kept. If the ray OP is incident along the axis, this ray will pass in a straight line without any deviation. Consider another ray which is incident obliquely on this lens at the point A, that is OA. First consider this second surface is not there. विचारात घेऊयात की हा सरफेस नाही आहे आणि हा एक पूर्ण असं मीडियम आहे की ज्याच्यावरती तुमचा OA हा रे इन्सिडेंट झाला. इथं फर्स्ट रिफ्रॅक्शन झाल्यानंतर इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी द रे ट्रॅव्हल अलॉंग I dash and I dash is the image of the object O for the first spherical surface. इथपर्यंतच विचारात घ्यायचं आहे बघा. शिस्तीत जाऊयात आपण की OA हा फर्स्ट स्फेरिकल सरफेसवर इन्सिडेंट झाल्यानंतर आफ्टर रिफ्रॅक्शन ॲट दिस पॉइंट A the ray travels along I dash and I dash is the image of O for the first spherical surface. Now for spherical surface we have studied the relation N2 minus N1 upon R is equal to N2 upon V minus N1 upon U. In your previous lecture, you have studied the relation. Let it be equation number 1. Now substitute here. See, object O is at the distance U from the optical center. So here object distance is U and image distance V is equal to V1. From P to I dash, this distance is suppose V1. Now substitute N1 is equal to N1, N2 is equal to N, U is equal to U and V is equal to V dash in this equation. So you get N minus 1. Now R is the radius of curvature. As this is the first spherical surface, the radius of curvature is suppose R1 for the first spherical surface. So you will write here R1 is equal to N2 is N upon V minus N1 is V1 and N1 is 1 upon U. परत एकदा लक्षात घ्या. N2 means medium in which the ray travels after refraction, that is the refractive material lens. So the lens material has refractive index N and outside material is air, so its refractive index is 1. So N1 is equal to 1. So N2 minus N1 is N minus 1 upon R, radius of curvature for the first spherical surface is R1. N2 is N, V, image distance is V1 minus N1 is 1 and U is U. Now see here, but here is second spherical surface. So the ray AB gets refracted at this point B and travels along BR. So here R is the final image after the refraction through this second surface, and for this I dash acts as the virtual object. Here the medium of incidence is N2 and medium of refraction is N1. Second spherical surface see here, medium 1 is now lens material. So N1 is equal to N and N2 is the material outside the lens. So N2 becomes 1. Object distance is V1 because this image, virtual image, acts as the object for this second spherical surface, and final image distance is V. Now substitute these values in your equation number 1. So N2 is 1, N1 is N. So here you get 1 minus N divided by radius of curvature for the second surface is R2. So here it becomes R2 equal to N2 is 1 divided by V minus N1 is N divided by object distance is V1. See, this is equation number 3. Now just make a change. Here N minus 1 is there and here 1 minus N is there. So you can write here N minus 1 divided by minus R2 is equal to 1 upon V minus N upon V1. Instead of here you write equation number 3 here. Now just add equation number 2 and 3. Equation number 2 and 3. So this left hand side will be get added to this left hand side and RHS will be get added to this RHS. So here N minus 1 will get common and into bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. बघा लक्षात येत आहे का? हे N minus 1 आपण कॉमन काढले. इथे राहिला 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. आता इथे विचारात घ्या, हा N upon V1 आहे आणि हा minus N upon V1 आहे. So it will get cancel and what will remain? 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So here you get 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So this is the equation which relates refractive index of the medium of lens, radius of curvature for both the spherical surface, object distance and image distance. If the object is at infinity, V is equal to F. That means image is formed at focal length. So here this equation becomes N minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon infinity is 0. So this is your final equation which the lens makers use to design the lens of desired focal length. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 bracket multiplied by N minus 1. Okay, thank you.